Yes. Take down the first problem in the variation of parameter. So y double dash plus a square y is equal to secant ax. Here up to yc, that is complementary solution, what we are finding out in the homogeneous Cauchy's and the Legendre's equation, it is same. First we have to write the solution with the differential operator d square plus a square whole into y is equal to secant ax. Next, auxiliary equation is m square plus a square is equal to 0. That implies m is equal to plus or minus ai. This comes under the case 3, that is complex roots. So yc is equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. So up to here it is same. Next, what we have to do, let y is equal to this c1, I will write it as a ax of cos ax plus c2 as b of x into sin ax. This we can call it as a equation 1. Be the complete solution. Be the complete solution of the given equation of the given equation a of x comma b of x are to be found. We have to find a of x and b of x. Now, in the above yc, we can write, we have y1 is equal to cos ax. This is our y1 and this is our y2. y1 is equal to cos ax, y2 is equal to sin ax. Now find out the differentiation. y1 dash is equal to minus a sin ax, y2 dash is equal to a into cos ax. Now we have to find the Wronskian. Wronskian formula is W means Wronskian, WROSKIN. Here W will become silent, so we just spell it as a Wronskian method. So here y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. This is the general formula. Now y1 means cos ax, y2 means a cos ax minus y2 means sin ax, y2 dash means a sin ax. So minus into minus plus. So I will take a as a common. Remaining cos square ax plus sin square ax is 1 according to the general formula of trigonometric function. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So here also same rule we will apply. Now the right side they have given that we can call it as a phi of x is equal to secant ax. Phi of x is equal to secant ax. After writing, now we have to find out the a of x and b of x. Next procedure is we have to find out a dash. A dash we have particular formula, some minus y2 phi of x divided by w, and b dash is equal to y1 phi of x divided by w. Don't write reverse, write properly. This is the respective formula for a dash and b dash. Now a dash is equal to minus y2 is sin ax, phi of x is secant ax divided by W. Sorry, W we have value A. We have A. Next, B dash is equal to y1 is cos AX, phi of x is secant AX. In the place of W, I will write A. Now, 1 by A I will write outside. For secant AX, I will write it as a cos AX. So 1 by cos AX is secant AX. Next, B dash. There also for the secant AX, we can write it as a 1 by cos AX. So 1 by cos AX will get cancelled. So B dash we will get is 1 by A. B dash here, B dash is equal to 1 by A cos AX. Secant AX is 1 by cos AX. So cancel. A dash is equal to minus 1 by A. This we can write it as a tan AX. B dash is equal to 1 by A. Integrating on both sides. Integration of A dash with respect to X minus 1 by A. Integration of tan AX with respect to X. Again integration of B dash with respect to X. Integration of 1 by A with respect to X. Here you can write constant K1, here K2. So integration of A dash with respect to X is A. So I will write A minus 1 by A, open the bracket. Yes, what is the integration of tan X? In general, I am asking, what is the integration of tan X?
Log of secant
X, very good. Log of secant, here AX divided by A plus K1. Now, integration of B dash is B. 1 by A, integration of 1 with respect to X is X plus K2. Therefore, substitute in the equation 1. Y is equal to minus log of secant AX divided by A square plus K1 whole into cos AX plus X by A plus K2 whole into sin AX. This is the procedure of the variation of parameters. Yes, any doubt in the first problem? This is the procedure. Any doubt means you can ask. But problem is little bit lengthy. I just briefly tell. Up to here we know because we already finding this complementary solution from the starting of the second module. In the homogeneous, in the non-homogeneous also. Then Cauchy's Legendary's linear equation. They're all we are starting our problem by finding out the complementary solution. For that complementary solution, instead of C1 I will write A of X, instead of C2 I will write B of X. This is Y1 and this is Y2. Then we have to find differentiation of Y1 and Y2. Then we have to apply the Wronskian, means y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. This is the formula. Then write phi of x. After that, we have to find a dash. A dash formula is minus y2 phi of x divided by w. B dash is y1 phi of x divided by w. Substitute. Then apply the integration on both sides. We get a and b values. While after finding out the a and b, substitute in the equation 1. This is the procedure. Let us d square y divided by dx square plus y is equal to tan x. Here also, first we have to find the differential operator. D square plus 1 into y is equal to tan x. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to plus or minus I. Yc is equal to C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Again, let y is equal to a of x cos x plus b of x into sin x. B of x into sin x. Next, y1 is cos x, y2 is equal to sin x. Call this one as the equation 1. y1 dash, differentiation of the cos x is minus sin x. y2 dash, differentiation of the sin x is cos x. Now write the Wronskian formula. y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. Cos x into cos x, cos square x, minus sin into sin square x, minus into minus plus. So we get sin square x. So cos square plus sin square x is 1. Next, phi of x is equal to right side, that is tan x. Now a dash is minus y2 phi of x divided by w. B dash is y1 phi of x divided by w. See the formulas properly while you are writing. For a dash we will get minus y2. For b dash we will get y1. Now a dash is equal to minus y2 is sin x, phi of x is tan x, w value is 1. So I just divided by 1, it means the minus sin x into tan x. B dash y1 is cos x into phi of x is tan x divided by 1. So a1 is equal to minus tan, if you split sin x by cos x. So sin into sin, it will become sin square x divided by cos x. Here also b dash is equal to cos x into sin x divided by cos x. So both will get cancelled, remaining will be sin x. We all know for sin square x formula 1 minus cos square x divided by cos x. So b dash I will write sin x only. Now individually I will just multiply with the minus sign. So minus into minus plus, second term, cos square x by cos x is cos x, minus into plus minus. What is the value of 1 by cos x? 1 by cos x
Secant.
is secant x. I just write here secant x. B dash I will write sin x. Apply the integration on both sides. Apply the integration on both sides. So integration of b dash into dx is equal to integration of sin x into dx plus k2. So integration of a dash is a. What is the integration of cos x?
Sin x.
Yes, very good. Sin x minus integration of secant x. Integration of sin x What is the integration of sin x? Log of secant x plus tan x. You have to remember all the formulas, all the integration formula plus k1. Sin x minus log of secant x plus tan x plus k1. Integration of b dash is b. What is the integration of sin x?
Minus cos x.
Yes, integration of sin x is minus cos x plus k2 plus k2. Therefore, substitute in the equation 1. Y is equal to, in the place of a, write sin x minus log of secant x plus tan x plus k1 whole into cos x plus the place of b of x, write minus cos x plus k2 whole into sin x. Whole into sin x. D square y divided by dx square plus y is equal to secant x into tan x. This is the question paper problem. Right here, June 2018. So here also write the differential operator form, that is d square plus 1 whole into y is equal to secant x into tan x. A auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to plus or minus I. Yc is equal to C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Next, let y is equal to a of x cos x plus b of x sin x. Call this one as a equation 1. From here, we have to write y1 is equal to cos x, y2 is equal to sin x, y1 dash is equal to minus sin x, y2 dash is equal to cos x. Next, write the Wronskian formula, y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash, cos into cos, cos square x, minus into minus plus, sin square x, we get 1. Phi of x, here we have secant x into tan x. Next, a dash minus y2 phi of x divided by w, b dash is equal to y1 phi of x divided by w. Here we substitute the values, minus sin x secant x into tan x divided by w value is 1. B dash is equal to y1 means cos x secant x tan x divided by 1 because w value is 1. Now a dash is equal to minus, here I just write sin x, secant x means 1 by cos x, tan x means sin x divided by cos x. B dash, cos x I will write as it is, secant x means 1 by cos x. Again tan means I will write tan as it is because cos will get cancelled. Again it remain in the form sin by cos. Now a dash is equal to minus tan square x because sin square x by cos square is tan square x. B dash is equal to tan x. Apply the integration. apply the integration on both sides. Don't forget to write the constants here. Yes. Now, what is the trigonometric formula for tan square x? Trigonometric formula for tan square x. Yes, what is the trigonometric formula? What is the general formula for how will you write in terms of secant square? See, if you forget the basic things, it is very difficult to.
Log of secant square actually.
No, I'm not asking the integration. I am asking here. So first I will write integration of a dash is a minus here tan square x. For sin square x in the previous problem I have written 1 minus sin square x. Yes. What is the formula?
1 minus secant square x.
Yes, 1 minus secant square x. Tan square x. This is the general formula. 1 minus secant square x into dx plus k1. Here integration of b dash is b. What is the integration of tan x?
Log of secant x.
Yes, log of secant x plus k2. Now here minus I will write as it is. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x minus what is the integration of secant square x? Integration of secant square x. Yes, integration of secant square x is tan x plus k1. B I will write as it is. After finding out a and b value, substitute in the equation 1. Therefore, y is equal to multiply with the minus sign. So, tan x minus x plus k1 whole into cos x plus log of secant x plus k2 whole into sin x. Whole into sin x. This is the procedure.